Hello, it's Oliver from ABC Direct, and today we're with the Osborne EBB90 and the EBB30. These are a really high quality British made fridge, perfect for your home bars, man caves, micropubs, restaurants, anywhere with limited space. It's a countertop fridge, very high quality, with these LED light boxes with an on-off switch. A lot of people have been wrapping these light boxes, adding their own logos on to really give it that very high quality feel. Let's take a look at the inside. You've got two chrome adjustable shelves, again with your chrome fittings, your adjustable thermostat, and then with the EBB30 you've got plastic wrap shelves, chrome fittings, adjustable thermostat. There's your LED light. They're now on sale at $295 plus VAT for the EBB30 and $350 plus VAT for the EBB90. To order yours today, give us a call on 01254 888 108 or drop us an email on sales@abcdirect2u.co.uk. Thank you very much.